This low voltage landscape lighting kit seriously elevated this outdoor space. If you're looking for a really nice outdoor lighting set, so this is fantastic. I've been wanting something like this added to our courtyard for a long time. So I was beyond delighted when the brand said, hey, let's send you a low voltage lighting kit so you don't have to worry about whether or not it got enough sun. It runs off low voltage off this transformer, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So let's go over here and take a look at this. What this is right here on the wall is this is a transformer, and it has different modes. So I don't know if you can see that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to light it up, and it's going to force the lights off. So if you look at the lights now, they're off. And then I take that away and they turn on. So it's light sensing. You can set it up to be off. You can set it up to run 24 hours. You can set it up to be auto, so it'll go off in the morning and on at night, or you can set it to run for 2, 4, or 6 hours after your sun goes down, so you lose the light. So that's really great. It comes with 65 feet of this wire like this, and connecting it up is just so simple. I'm going to show a little more detail on this later, but each of the lights has these 2 wires coming off of that. You just tap into these lines, you screw that down, you put that together. And then a great thing about these lights is they have 6 different modes. So there's 5 color temperatures, and then they can do flashing colors as well. So let's show you one of the ones out here, because it might be a little easier. We're also going to make sure our little pup doesn't take off. But in the back, here's a little switch. So let me cycle this all the way through to the beginning to start. You have that mode where it kind of cycles through the different color temperatures of lights. You have your warmest white, a little bit less warm white, kind of a natural white, a cooler white, and then a very cool white, and then right back to the beginning of cycling through the colors. So I have them all set to the same one now. So there are 8 total that come in the kit, 65 feet of wire, all the connections you need to connect up the lights, and then I'm going to show you the whole unboxing and everything afterwards. But this is really fantastic for our courtyard, because on the nights when we forget to turn the light on, sometimes we have late night deliveries, this will let the people be able to see. Actually, I'm going to go sneak behind my wife here. I'm going to shut the other lights off. So you see, even without other lights on, this looks really, really good. So there you have it. Let's cut to the other part now, where I show all the other parts and pieces of the kit. Thanks for watching. Now that I've shown you how everything works, let's show you what comes in the box. So in full disclosure, I did already take everything out just to kind of connect it up and see how it works. So I just tried my best to repack everything so I can show you what's in there. So there are the 8 stakes that come just like that on the very, very top. The stakes have a hole in each of them that you're going to put the wire through from the LED light. That's the transformer, so it's got 120 on one side and the low voltage, I think it's just 12 volts AC, on the other side. There are the taps, and we'll get into that in a little bit, and I'll show you everything. But then underneath, as you kind of open up everything in the box, there are the LED lights themselves, the lighting. So they have an LED set at the top that does the different color temperatures that I showed you, and then they have that oval opening. So when you first start your distribution line, you're going to take those 2 screws out that are in those holes there. When you back that out, there's a little terminal block with 2 screws in it. Back out the screws, put the end of the wire in there, tighten it back down, and then put the cap back on. So this is the end piece. I'll show you how I tap into those. But basically, you got the wire for each LED goes through the stake, and then the stake screws onto the base of the light stick. So here is each tap. There is a little slot there that the wire goes into, and then when you screw this piece down, it is going to puncture that insulation. On the other end that taps into the lights themselves, that's where you're going to take that inside piece off, put it onto the wire, and then push the wire down inside of that hole where that little metal pin is, and then tighten it back down, and then the wire will connect inside of there. So it does take a little bit of practice, but after you do it a few times, it's going to become pretty easily. If you ever find that one of the lights isn't coming on, chances are you have maybe not pushed the wire down improperly on this end, or you haven't punctured through the insulation on the other end, but it's easy to back it out, reconnect it, check it, redo it. So mine all worked, pretty easily. I did have to redo a couple of them, but it wasn't a big deal. It took me about an hour to set everything up once all the lighting was laid out. But part of that was also I wanted to measure between my lights really carefully, so I made sure there was about 7.5 feet between each light. I'm kind of picky like that. And then And then there again is just showing you how to screw down and tap into each individual line.